Namaste, learners. This is Professor S. Lal, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Learners, you know that we are discussing analytical geometry, this segment, and we are discussing about conic section. Conic section means we are discussing about parabola, hyperbola, and ellipse. Lines and circles. So today we are going to discuss one of the very important aspect of parabola. Suppose there is a line and that equation is y is equal to mx plus c. You know, this is the line of a straight line of slope form. In y is equal to mx plus c, you know, m is the slope of the line and c is the intercept that is cut by the line from the y axis. And you know here m is equal to slope means m is equal to tan theta, and theta is the line that is formed by the line in the positive direction of x-axis. So the question is that if there is a line, firstly note down, there is a line that equation is y is equal to mx plus c, and there is a equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Now the question is that in which circumstance this line will going to touch to the parabola. For more clear, let us see. This is your y is equal to mx plus c. This is the line. Take it as equation 1. And the equation of parabola that we are taking here, that is y square is equal to 4ax. This is equation 2. Means this equation is representing a line, and this equation is representing a parabola like this. Now the question is that x-axis, y-axis, this is the origin, and this is the equation of your parabola. So now the question is that in which circumstance this line will touch to this parabola. We have to discuss here that what is the condition when this line will touch to this parabola. For that, what we have to do, we have to substitute the value of equation 1 in equation 2. Means you can put this y is equal to mx plus c in this equation 2. So this will be mx plus c whole square is equal to 4ax 4ax. Now expand this mx plus c in the pattern of a plus b whole square. So this will give you ms square x square plus 2 mx c plus c square and is equal to 4ax. Convert this in the equation of a quadratic. Means you have to convert this result in a quadratic equation and then you have to find d, and then after that you have to equate this is equal to 0. Then finally you will be finding the value, you will be finding the value of what? C. And the value of C will be, after doing this, the value of C will be what? It will be A upon M. A upon M. A upon M. Now put this C, value of C in equation 1. Then what will be that? This will be y is equal to mx plus C means A upon M. So this is the result. Y is equal to mx plus A upon M. If you are getting this result, then this is the condition that will show that when a line of slope form will be will be touching a parabola. I hope you have got this. Thank you very much for enjoying this lecture.